Alarm rings at 5 a.m. You open one eye. Your brain says, sleep is important. Your pillow says, come back. And your dream says, maybe tomorrow. Relatable? We all want success. We all want discipline. We all want focus. But very few people are ready to win the morning. Today I'll share a simple, realistic 5 a.m. routine that doesn't require money, gym membership, or superhuman motivation. Just consistency. 5 a.m. Win the first battle. When alarm rings, don't think. Thinking creates excuses. Just sit up immediately. The snooze button is not rest. It is delayed regret. The moment you sit up, you win the first battle of the day. And that small win builds self-respect. But waking up early wasn't always easy. That's when I remembered something my dadi once told me. When I was younger, my dadi told me something funny. She said, before sleeping, tell your pillow what time you want to wake up. Repeat it clearly. Hit the pillow lightly 5 times and say the time. I used to laugh at it, but one night I tried it. Before sleeping, I sat on my bed and said, 5 a.m., I'm waking up at 5 a.m., and I tapped the pillow 5 times. 5 a.m., 5 a.m., 5 a.m. It felt silly, but something changed. It worked out. I actually woke up. Why it actually works. Simple psychology. This isn't magic. It's intention programming. When you repeat something clearly before sleep, your brain takes it seriously. Your subconscious mind works even while you sleep. When you strongly decide something at night, your brain prepares for it. Most people say, I'll try to wake up. But try is weak. Instead say, I will wake up at 5 a.m. Clear instruction, clear decision. That small shift increases awareness, and awareness increases discipline. 5 a.m. Drink water and physical activation. Now that you're sitting up, go drink 1 glass of water. Your body has been resting for 6 to 7 hours. Wake it up. Do light stretching. Rotate your neck. Move your shoulders. Loosen your body. Now comes a powerful step most people ignore. 5:15 a.m. Walk in nature plus morning sunlight. Step outside. Even if it's just your balcony or terrace, go for a short walk. Let the morning sunlight hit your face. Morning sunlight is not just nice weather. It sends a signal to your brain. It tells your body, it's morning, time to be alert. Sunlight helps regulate your circadian rhythm, your natural body clock. It boosts serotonin, which improves mood. It increases vitamin D, which supports immunity and energy. And most importantly, natural light wakes you up better than your phone ever will. When sunlight hits your eyes in the morning, your brain reduces melatonin, the sleep hormone, so you feel naturally energized. No extra coffee needed. Even 5 to 10 minutes of morning light can change your energy levels for the whole day. Fresh air plus sunlight plus movement equals natural motivation. 5:25 a.m. Silence plus reflection plus journaling. Now come back inside. Sit quietly. No phone, no notifications. Just breathe for 5 to 10 minutes. Let your thoughts settle. Then take a notebook. Write 3 things. What am I grateful for? How do I feel right now? What is my main focus today? After sunlight and movement, your mind is clearer. Journaling now becomes more powerful. Instead of reacting to the world, you decide your direction. That's control. 5:40 a.m., personal development time. Now use this clear mental state. Read 5 to 10 pages. Learn a new language. Practice editing. Prepare for exams. Work on your goals. Even 30 to 45 minutes daily. Most people sleep at this time. You grow. Do this consistently for 1 year. That's hundreds of focused hours. That's how ordinary people become unstoppable. Optional. Running/workout days. Some days, instead of studying, go for a run. Or do a full workout session. Sweat before sunrise. There is something powerful about finishing hard things early. It makes the rest of the day feel easier. Healthy breakfast. After all this, have a healthy breakfast. Simple, light, nutritious. Your brain needs fuel. Productivity without energy does not last long. How to make this routine sustainable. Now listen carefully. This routine works only if it is sustainable. So here's how you make it stick. 1. Consistency is greater than perfection. Some days you'll feel lazy. That's normal. Just don't quit. Even if you follow 60% of the routine, it still counts. 2. Personalization. Make it your own. If you don't like meditation, do deep breathing. If you don't like reading, learn a practical skill. Don't copy blindly. Customize intelligently. 3. Gradual transition. Don't suddenly shift from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. Start waking up 15 minutes earlier every few days. Let your body adjust naturally. Slow improvement lasts longer. 4. Protect night routine. No late night scrolling. No random YouTube binge till 1 a.m. Respect your future self. The real secret. 5 a.m. is not magic. The magic is discipline. The magic is identity. When you wake up early consistently, you start seeing yourself differently. You feel organized. You feel ahead. You feel in control. And when you feel in control, you become unstoppable. So tonight, before sleeping, tell your pillow, tomorrow, 5 a.m., no excuses. Hit it 5 times if needed. Start with one habit and win the battle. Comment below if you want perfect night routine in next video. Also, which habit are you starting from tomorrow? And remember, don't just watch routines, live them. Because unstoppable people like you are built one morning at a time. If this helped you, then do like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this. We'll meet you in the next video.